Okay guys, in this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can simply post your pictures from your laptop, from your computer for free guys into your Instagram. Alright, so how you can post your pictures, your videos for free into your Instagram account using your laptop or computer guys. Alright, let us get into this guys. This is my Instagram account. As you see, I'm on my Instagram. You simply come here, right click on your mouse, and then after go down. All right, when you go down, you'll see right at the bottom there is where it says inspect. You click that inspect. Let us just wait here. It will show you actually a different tab. All right. So where is it taking time? Okay. Alright, here is it, which means it's my network, alright? Okay, now it has shown us this. Do not worry about all those guys, alright? You simply come here on this box here, just on this corner here. You come on this box, you click on that box, alright? You just click it, you click it twice, and then when you'll actually see on the other side, guys, that okay, your table is actually changed, alright? So now everything has changed. We just want that plus button, alright? So that you can simply we can simply add our photos onto our Instagram. As you see guys, it is showing us here Samsung Galaxy, Moto, Pixel, iPhone. If you want, you can simply use the iPhone X like that, but then it is showing so small. It is small guys. I prefer you can simply use the Samsung Galaxy S5 one. It will be actually wide, alright? This is now your phone onto your laptop. Now we want that plus button guys. Simply come here, refresh here. You'll see the plus button will actually show up. Alright. Now you can add your pictures into your into your Instagram using your phone guys. Alright. So I guess you can if you see this, okay. Now you can simply come to this plus button. For those of you who have never added any pictures into your Instagram, okay. You come into your Instagram into this button, alright? You press this plus button. My network is very slow guys. I don't know what's happening, okay? Right. Okay, let's hope it gets better. Alright, this is one of okay, now it is showing me the pictures in my computer, right? What do I want to post? I can come again and post this picture here. You see? Alright. Next to posting guys, we're posting our picture, right? If you want to write your caption here, you can simply write your caption. If you want to, there'll be caption, let me say share. Look at this guys, the picture is being shared into your Instagram. Okay, it's just that my computer, my network today is a little bit slow guys, alright? But then with a fast network, you can simply post like 20 pictures, 50 pictures in less than 10 minutes using this guys, writing your captions, everything sharp. You understand? So guys, if you find any value on this video on how to post your videos, or if you learned something new guys, please subscribe into my channel. I'll be teaching you more things. You'll be getting more things on how to guys on this video. So subscribe so that you do not miss out on my new videos that I'll be coming along with. Alright, thank you for watching.